Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain AWS Secret Manager, a secure and efficient service for managing secrets like database credential, API keys, and more. And I'll be covering all these topics in this video. What is why we use key benefits, core concepts of secret manager, how it will work, and AWS use cases and integration with AWS services. And also I'll show the demo at the last. So let's understand what is AWS Secret Manager. So it is fully managed services designed to securely store and manage and access sensitive information such as database credential, API keys and other secret user in your applications and infrastructure. It provides a centralized solutions to handle secrets, eliminating the need to hard code sensitive data and the applications. And secret manager supports automatic secret rotations, making it easier to keep your credential up to date without manual intervention. And it also integrates seamlessly with other services, allow you to securely retrieve secrets when needed. Additionally, it helps enforcing security best practices by providing fine-grained access and control encryption for sensitive data, ensuring that only authorized users can applications can be access these secrets. So why use AWS Secret Manager? It's essential for securely manage and protecting sensitive information, as we know, such as API keys, database credentials and application secrets. And it simplifies the management of these secrets by providing a centralized and secure storage solutions which reduce the risk of accidental exposures. By integrating with other services, Secret Manager ensures that the sensitive data is easily accessible to authorized application while being protected through encryption and fine-grained access control. And one of the standout features is the automation. Um, Secret rotation, which helps maintain security by regularly updating secrets without manually intervention. This not only enhance the overall security but also ensure compliance with the industry standards and regulations. So let's understand the key benefits. So the first key benefit we have is a centralized management. So what it is? So Secret Manager provides a centralized location for storing all your sensitive data, making it easier to manage and access credential, API keys and other secrets in one place. This centralized approach ensure consistency and reduce the complexity of managing secrets across multiple environments and reduce the risk of exposures. By controlling access to secrets using AWS identity and access management policies and encrypting sensitive data, AWS Secret Manager minimize the risk of unauthorized access. These ensure the secrets are only accessible to the appropriate users and services, enhance the overall security. So easy integration. Secret Manager integrates seamlessly with a wide range of AWS services, including EC2, RDS, and Lambda. These allow you to securely manage and retrieve secrets with your AWS infrastructure, streamlining your application development and deployment process. Compliance. So its manager helps organization meet security and compliance requirement by securely managing and auditing access to sensitive data. It provides features like encryption, access control, and auditing logs to support regulator and industry standards. So these are the key features of AWS Secret Manager. So the next concept we have is a core concept of AWS Secret Manager. In that, first we have a secret. So, secrets are a sensitive piece of information such as database password, API keys, encryption key, and access credential. AWS Secret Manager allow you to store and manage these secrets securely, ensuring they are not exposed in application code or configure files. Secret version. So secret managers store different versions of secret over time. Each time a secret is updated, a new version is created. So this helps maintaining an auditing trial and ensuring that the application always uses the most current and a secure version of the secrets. So access policies. So access policies defines who can access your secrets and under what condition. By using AWS identity and access management policies, you can control access to the secrets at a granular level. These ensure that only authorized users and services have to access to sensitive information, helping maintain security and the compliance. These are the core concept of the secret manager. So the next we have is how AWS Secret Manager will work. So first it will store sensitive information securely. AWS Secret Manager allow you to securely store sensitive data such as API keys, database credential and other secrets. These secrets are encrypted using AWS Key Management Service to ensure they remains protected at the rest and in transit. So assign permission using access AWS identity and access management. Access to secrets is controlled using IAM policies, which defines who can retrieve or manage secrets by assigning specific roles and permissions to users and services. You can ensure that only authorized entities can access the secret. So set automation rotation of secrets. So AWS Secret Manager supports automatic secret rotation. You can configure secrets to be rotated at a regular interval, ensuring that sensitive information like database passwords it regularly update the without requiring manual interventions. These reduce the risk of exposure and helps maintaining security over time. So retrieve secrets programmatically or other through AWS. So secrets stored in Secret Manager can be retrieved programmatically by applications using AWS SDKs or APIs. These allow your applications to securely access the secrets when needed without hard coding them in configuration files or sourcing code. The SKDS facility is seamlessly integrated with your applications running on AWS or on premises. So this is how the Secret Manager will work. So the next we have is a Secret Manager use cases. So the first use cases we have is a data credential management. So it simplify the management of database credential, especially for Amazon EC2 RDS instances. It allow for automatic rotation of database password, reducing the risk of exposure and ensuring that the application always use the most up-to-date credential. This is particularly helpful in dynamic environment where credential need to change it frequently. So the next we have is the API keys. Managing third-party API keys securely is crucial for protecting access to external services. AWS Secret Manager helps store and retrieve API keys for services like payment, gateways, message platforms, or cloud APIs, ensuring that these keys are kept secure and not exposed in your application's source code or a configuration files. Secure application secrets. For web and mobile applications, storing sensitive credential in AWS Secret Manager, ensuring that these secrets are securely managed. Applications can access these credentials at runtime, protecting them from unauthorized access while avoiding the risk associated with the hard coding sensitive information in code repositories. So this is the use case of the secret manager, and we have a integration with AWS services. So it is integrated with EC2, RDS, and a Lambda. So EC2, AWS Secret Manager can securely provide EC2 instance with secrets such as API keys, database credential, and other sensitive information. By using IAM rule and policy, EC2 instance can retrieve these secrets securely at runtime without the need for storing them in an instance environment variable or configuring files, improving security and simplify the management. The next we have is a RDS. AWS Secret Manager is commonly used to manage database credential for Amazon RDS. That's relational database service. It allows automatic rotation and the database password, ensuring secure and seamless database connection without requiring manual updates to credential. Application can fetch the latest credential from Secret Manager, ensuring the data access remains secure and up to date. And we have a Lambda. AWS Lambda functions can securely retrieve secrets stored in a secret manager at runtime. This integration enable Lambda functions to access sensitive data such as API token or database credential without hard coding them into the function's code or environment variable. Using AWS SDKs, Lambda can securely fetch the necessary secret each time it is invoked, enhancing security and scalability. So this is how the services is integrated with the secret manager. So let's go to the AWS account and let's see the demo on secret manager. So let's start with the practical session of the AWS Secret Manager. So let's navigate to the AWS Secret Manager. So when you enter to the Secret Manager, so see, it's easily rotate, manage, and retrieve secrets throughout their life cycle, and it helps to protect access your application services and IT resources. You can easily rotate and manage, retrieve data credentials, API keys, and other secrets throughout their life cycles. And when we see the pricing, it will cost a dollar 0.40 per secret per month and 0.05 per 10,000 API calls and 30 days free trials available. That means when you create the AWS account, right, at that time you can get a 30 days of free trials, that at the time you can eligible with the creating a secret manager. As of now, for me it's not a free of trial. So let's get started and store a new secret key. So here, choose a secret type. They have given a four types of secret types. One is credential from RDS database, or credential from the Redshift data warehouse, or credentials to other databases, or other type of secrets. So here I'm choosing a other type of secrets, and the next thing we have is a key pairs. So here I'm adding a key pair, that is username, giving, and I'm adding another one, adding token. So the by default, as of now, token I'm leaving as a blank. So when you come to the encryption key, try to keep it in a default way only, because they have provided a free KMS key for us. So when you're going to create a custom keywords, it will charges incurs for you. So better to go with the default encryption key only that the AWS will provide. So the next click, so here a configuration secret. So here we need to give the name. So your secret name I'm giving as a email, and description, accessing to the, it's a optional. So when you come down, so and also you can give the permissions in IAM and you can edit those, and also you can replicate the secret keys. So here I'm using a Stockholm, so you can replicate your data to your, or you can store these things in another region also. If you want, you can select these also, but as of now it's optional, I'm not selecting this one. So click on next. So the next thing is configuring rotational its operation. So configure automation rotations. Configure AWS Secret Manager to rotate these secret automatically. So as of now, it's a enable. When you disable, when you enable it, you can schedule the times. So here you have units called hours, days, weeks. You can mention, and also you can set the to active your windows duration. Also you can set those things, and rotation immediately when the secret key is stored, that one also you can do. And you have a scheduler expressions also. um as of now I'm doing this as a disable. I'll show why. So and we have a rotation function. So here we have not. So using a lambda function to rotate tokens in a AWS Secret Managers help keep our secrets like passwords or APIs secure by automatically updating them. Automatic updates, better security, custom rule, no downtime compliance. The lambda function handles secrets update and automatically keeps them safe and make them easier to job. So for that, we need for securing our data and all, we need a lambda function here. So let's create a lambda function after the store is created. So click on next. You can review the things here. Mm, and you can also see your things. So here the Python. So the library taken Boto 3, and you can see your secret name and the region we are mentioning. Everything will be mentioned here, and you can store your data here. So let's wait. So see, the secret email has been created. So when you enter this one, you can see the things. And also the code part. So when you come to the rotation, so we have disabled those things. Retrieve secret value can also we retrieve the secret value that we have given demo, password, token. So for the token potential, we need to create a lambda function. So let's go and create the lambda function. So let's create lambda function. So here the creation of the function, choose one of the following. You can start from the scratch or use a blueprint, container image or browser serverless. Here I'm using from the scratch, the name I'm given, and the runtime here I'm using a Python. The rest of the thing will be same. Click on create function. So this will create a function for us. So for this we need a code. So if you scroll down, so this is the editor. Here we have, here we need to give some code. So this is the code I have. So here I have given some libraries and the different function. Here the length of the token, and if you scroll down, here we need to give the secret name. The secret name what we have given, email. This name should we need to give there in the secret manager name. And also here the current secret updated. What the thing we need to update? We need to update the token part. That should be given here. So let's check whether the name is correct or not. First, token. This way to give there. So again scroll down. So here also we need to give the name. So let's save this. So here it's client, everything has been mentioned what the updated should be done in how many length for the what the secrets, everything will be given here. So create a new test event. So here give the name, save the connection, and once it has been saved, so deploy the thing. Updating showing so yes, it's update the secrets. And still we have not given any permission to talk with the secret manager. So when you come to here and we can click on test, so this will show an error. Why? Because we have not given the authorized secret manager things configuration. So we need to attach a IAM role. So come to the configuration, go to permissions. So in go to roles, here we need to attach the policy of the secret manager. So go to add permission, attach policy. So here search for secret manager, read and write option. So when you see this, all these policies are attached with the secret manager. So all these things. So add permission. So now the permission has been added. So let's go and test the configuration again. Let's check. So the test has been successfully updated. So now what we need to do is, here we need to update the rotation. So edit rotation, because we, for the communication purpose we need to, so attach. Here I'm giving 8 hours, and the windows time also I'm giving 8. So scroll down and lambda function here, so save, enter a number of hours between. So when we save that here, it is showing to fail to rotate the secret email because it's asking the function permission policies to grant the access. So for that, what we need to do is go to your Lambda function secret. So when you scroll down, you can see the resource based policy. Here we need to add the permissions. So in edit policy statement, we have three types: AWS account, AWS services, and function. So here I'm using grant permission. So in this, I'm secret manager. So here we need to give the ID and the action what we need to is get invoke. We need to invoke the function. So click on save. Now go and rotate the enable this function. So enable this schedule for 8 hours and Windows duration also I'm giving 8 hours and so when you save this, this will enable the function. Now the rotation has been updated. So let's check whether we can see the token. So yes, the token has been generated and the token has been by B6Y84. So so let's rotate this function again. Now it has been edit the rotation. Now when you go and see the secret key, the it has been changed and it's starting from OG. So this is how the secret manager will work, whether the agent a lambda function. So that's all the practical session of the secret manager. Thank you.